guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open Facebook on your phone or computer. Then open the menu section by tapping on these three lines. Next, scroll down and tap Help and Support. From the available options, select Report a Problem, then choose Report a Problem again to continue. Here, select Include. Now select Ads from the category list. This will let you report issues related to advertising restrictions. In the Message section, explain that your account has been restricted and request a review. Mention that you're unable to advertise and would like Facebook to check the issue again. You can send something simple like this. I'm having issues with advertising on Facebook. My account has been restricted from advertising and I'd like this issue reviewed and resolved. Please take another look at my account. Thank you. After submitting the report, wait for Facebook to review it. This process usually doesn't happen instantly and can take around 1 to 2 business days. If the restriction was triggered by a mistake or account flag, another review may help restore your advertising access. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix Facebook account restricted from advertising. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.